pick up one's beads. Actually, I like the swatching the longer one. And then tuck is like really gentle, close to the cuticle area. And using your belly of your bristle and guide your powder. It is so easy to control it with. So I'm using a brush number 12 right now. So beautiful. Just a little bit missing right there. Can you see me under the camera?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And then we are going to cap it with crystal clear. And then we're gonna do this swatching a solids color. I mean, the solids colors mean that we're not doing any encapsulates, anything that yet. We're gonna do it in the next videos, next tutorial. But then today, just for you to see how beautiful it is.
So Jen asked you, how do they submit the name?
Stay tuned. The post will be up for you after the live stream. And then everybody can get chance to win this collection as well. So one best name will got picked by Glitz will receive the whole collections. All right, so here's the first one. I'm loving it so much.